Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bank of America Zelle for funding crypto platforms step by step clearly. To download Bank of America Zelle for funding crypto platforms, begin by ensuring you have a compatible device. Open the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android device. In the search bar, type Bank of America and search for the official app. Locate the Bank of America app from the list of results. Ensure that it's the official app by checking for the bank's logo and verified status. Tap the Install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Bank of America app. If you already have an account, click Log In and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Zelle section of the app. If prompted, set up your Zelle account by linking your email or mobile number. Verify your identity as required to ensure secure transactions. Once Zelle is set up, proceed to fund your crypto platform. Log into your chosen crypto platform and navigate to the Funding or Deposit section. Select Zelle as your funding method. Follow the instructions provided by the crypto platform to complete the transaction. Confirm all details before finalizing the transfer. Monitor your Bank of America app for transaction updates to ensure successful funding. With these steps, you can efficiently download and set up Bank of America Zelle for use with crypto platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.